Here we have a scooter, but we also have the names of other toys. Bike, action figure, robot, kite, building set. We are going to have the conversation, but we're going to change scooter by the other toys. For example, what's this? It's my new bike. Can I play with it, please? Yes, of course. Let's play together. Great. Now let's use action figure. What's this? It's my new action figure. Can I play with it, please? Yes, of course. Let's play together. Great. Okay, now I ask the question and you answer. I'll give you some time for you to answer. Yo voy a hacer esta nena, la de amarillito, y ustedes van a hacer la de verde. Vamos a ir uno por uno, ¿sí? Primero con bike, después con action figure, robot, kite, building set. Y vamos a ir cambiando los roles. Primero yo soy amarillito, ustedes verde. Después ustedes son amarillito y yo verde. Probemos a ver cómo funciona. Comencemos con bike. En vez de it's my new scooter, ustedes tienen que decir it's my new. Voy a dejar un ratito de silencio para que ustedes hablen mientras ven esta película. Como si estuviéramos hablando. Ready? Okay. What's this? Can I play with it, please? Great. Okay, ahora cambiamos. Ustedes comienzan a preguntarme y yo contesto. Ready? Okay. It's my new action figure. Yes, of course. Let's play together. Good. Now I ask the questions and we use robot. What's this? Can I play with it, please? Great. Good. Now you ask the question. It's my new kite. Yes, of course. Let's play together. Good. And the last conversation is with building set. I ask the question. What's this? Can I play with it, please? Great.